Want to add depth and character to your tracks? Fruity Delay 3 in FL Studio offers an analog-style delay with features like tempo sync, filtering, distortion, and self-oscillation. Whether crafting lush echoes or building experimental effects, Fruity Delay 3 delivers. Set delay times from 1 to 1000 milliseconds, with tempo sync to match your project's BPM. Choose from mono, stereo, and ping-pong modes for anything from tight slapbacks to wide, bouncing echoes. A standout feature is the feedback section, where feedback above 100% creates self-oscillation. Combined with low-pass, high-pass, or bandpass filtering, each repeat gains a unique tonal character. Add resonance around the cutoff for dub-style delays or sweeping effects. Modulation controls add pitch wobble for tape-style wow and flutter, or rich flanging and chorusing when mixed with the dry signal. The smoothing parameter ensures smooth pitch transitions when automating delay times. The diffusion feature transforms echoes into reverb-like trails, from sharp and rhythmic to soft and ambient. It's perfect for adding texture to vocals, synths, or percussion. Feedback distortion uses wave shaping to add grit to each echo. Switch between limiting for clipped distortion or saturation for warm, analog-style overdrive. Fine-tune with the knee and symmetry controls. Fruity Delay 3 also offers independent wet and dry controls, letting you balance the original and delayed signals. The tone knob acts as a final filter, cutting low or high frequencies to help your delays sit perfectly in the mix. Whether you need classic delays, rhythmic effects, or experimental textures, Fruity Delay 3 is a versatile tool for any producer. Ready to elevate your tracks? Comment FL below for more tips on mastering delay effects.